Android Apple Music beta code refers to unreleased Apple Classical app. I didn't even know this. They were working on this. I guess it makes sense. Android Apple Music beta. So you're gonna listen to Apple Music on Android now. I'm not sure why, but I guess they want to be competitive with the likes of Spotify. So they have to be available everywhere because people use Android devices like myself, and it immediately, like, I never considered Apple Music because I have all these devices. I want to be able to go between them with my music service.
Or maybe the rare chance that someone's moving into an Android device and then they just still want Apple Music.
Yeah.
I heard the algorithm's really good.
Yeah, so I think it's that market requires it. If you want to have a competitive audio streaming service, you got to be a cross-platform service. So Apple's latest Apple Music beta app for Android may have revealed the name of the company's forthcoming app dedicated to classical music, suggesting a release might not be too far away. So this is an interesting piece of this. I suppose we already should have known that Apple Music was coming to Android. I didn't, but this piece that someone was able to extract is that they're going to do a dedicated classical music app. And that gets me going a little bit. Sometimes I'm in a classical mood and I just want to stream the classical. I mean, I have no problem doing so on YouTube Music, or Spotify, but I already have too many subscriptions, by the way.
Yeah. Is this a studying thing, the classical music?
Of course it is.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Man, there's whole genres and subgenres of studying music. I got into that. I mean, you can get so specific with it. Dark academia. Some people definitely know about this stuff. It would be like, you are alone in an old library. You know what I'm saying? And it's raining outside.
Yes.
And there's a fire crackling.
Yeah.
And you're studying. And classical music is playing, but it sounds like it's playing inside the space. It doesn't, you know what I mean? It's not like super clear. It's like your brain is placing it somewhere physically in that room because it's mixed with the ambient noises. Man, you can study to anything these days.
With spatial audio as well?
You kidding me?
Yeah.
You kidding me? Yeah, people are going to take advantage of that. But listen, I don't think this is going to be enough for me to switch. I got too many subscriptions.
Yeah, I hear you.
But spatial audio classical, yeah, man. Is that going to make me get another subscription? Apple recently, go back, let's just get that one paragraph. Apple recently advertised a job for a UX designer to work on the new standalone music app. According to the job description, the candidate would be expected to provide UX experience and new perspectives specifically for Prime Phonic in order to help realize a distinct experience for classical music that would include visual, audio, and haptic aspects. Oh, baby. Yeah, we're talking about a sensory experience, Will.
Don't mind that.
Easy, Will. Put it away. Put it away.
Put what away?
Never mind.